I will show you how to download Adobe Reader so you can access the Australian standards through the TechStreet platform. Please open eLearn. On the top right-hand corner of the menu bar, you will see the Library tab. Click on Library and then select CIT Library at the bottom of the list. This will take you to the Library landing page. Bookmark this page for future reference. When you get to the Library page, you may need to scroll down to see the green Australian Standards help box, located on the left-hand side of the ribbon. Click into this box. You'll be taken to the library's Australian Standards help page to set up your TechStreet account. You'll need to have an active CIT Microsoft 365 account to download File Open and Adobe Reader. These are required to download and view the standard. I will be showing you how to download Adobe Reader. Now please click on the link and this will direct you to another page to access the Download Adobe Reader button. Please click on the Download Adobe Reader button. This takes you to the getadobe.com webpage. Then click on the blue button. This is a free version of Adobe Reader. When you click on the blue button, the software should automatically download. If not, please check your download settings on your device. Once the application has been downloaded, it may need to be installed manually. This depends on your settings. This is done by going to your Downloads folder. In Windows, this is in the yellow Document folder. Then select the Downloads folder. In Mac, the Downloads folder is accessed through the blue and white Finder folder. Once you locate the file in your Downloads folder, double-click the file to execute and install the program. An Adobe pop-up will appear. Agree to all of the terms and conditions to complete the installation. Once the download has been installed, click on Finish to complete the process. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Adobe Reader on your device.